Detailed operating mechanism of the AWM sniper rifle. The AWM Arctic Warfare Magnum sniper rifle employs a bolt-action mechanism, which is one of the most efficient and favored systems in professional sniping. Ammunition types: 338 Lapua Magnum and 300 Winchester Magnum. One, opening the bolt. The shooter lifts the bolt handle from the locked position and pulls it back. This action rotates the bolt and pulls the extractor, removing the spent cartridge case from the chamber and ejecting it through the ejection port. This mechanism requires the shooter to manually operate the bolt handle to load a round and prepare for each